waxaa la isku haystaa maqaayadii ismaar sidar laga kala carramay
مرسي هذا الشيء مصيص وكل سوي منك
ما يوفي
أبدي يسيق هذا راح
قال
Back it up. Back it up.
Don't touch me.
Back it up. Back it up.
Don't fucking touch me.
Get back.
He's your son, sister.
Get back. Back it up.
What's his ID? Yeah. ID? What's your name? You have ID?
Back it up.
You have ID? You have ID? No?
What's your badge number?
So you just kidnap people?
What's your name? What's your badge number?
Huh?
Back it up.
Good about it? Yo, go ahead. I got his ID. Hey, I got his ID.
Show him.
I got his ID.
Go get ID.
His ID. Yeah, it's gonna get his ID. You can't make you guys gotta release him. She can make noise. She can make all the noise she wants, dude. You know it and I know it. Racket the fire.
What's your name?
Kidnapper, you're a fucking Nazi.
Yeah.
Fine.
Fucking Nazi, bitch.
Bad and ugly.
Okay, well, I don't care what you think. Go
Must be
fuck
proud of yourself, huh?
fucking Nazi. Fucking Nazi is what you are. You're a fucking Nazi.
You
know what you're talking about. You're a kidnapper. How you sleep at night, you motherfucker? You fucking Nazi. You too. You're kidnapping people. I have hate in me. You're kidnapping people. We are back here. We are fine. And
We're on a public sidewalk. We can be on a public sidewalk.
He's your citizen. Stop. His ID. Call 911. Call 911.
Please check him out.
Call 911.
This is the person. Hey, yo. He's a U.S. citizen. You see what this? He's a U.S. citizen.
Thank you. Thank you.
U.S. citizen, they're grabbing.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is him right here. They just grabbed him.
Okay.
That's
Call
crazy.
911. Call 911.
Okay.
Call 911. Tell them.
Hey, y'all gotta call now. You just grabbing citizens.
News, go. The news.
What's the news?
What is the news?
They were up and down.
Call the news. Tell them.
They took someone.
Yeah, we
have his name. Okay.
Well, you are stuck right here.
Justice will right now. You're
Ma'am. You're in my way.
You're not welcome here! Get the fuck out of here! Get the fuck out of here! You don't deserve to be here! Yes, we do.
Show your face, that one. Show your face. Show your face. Show your face, idiot. Hey, Benjamin. Who's gonna pay me out here? Aren't you from Florida? Huh? No. It's Ben.
I can't wait till that shit-eating Grim's wife.
Go home, Benjamin. Deport every illegal. Yeah, you too. And you too then. And you too then. And you too. You too.
How much they paying you today?
What's up, man? Where were you born?
What's that?
Where were you born?
In Somalia.
Somalia? Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah, I do.
What you got? Passport card?
I have a passport.
Okay, can I see it?
Yeah. Why you want to see it, though?
Just to verify.
I'm right here.
Yeah, I'm verifying your citizenship, buddy.
Here.
What's your name?
You'll see it right there.
I just want to verify. What's your name?
Abdir Sakbihi.
All right, man. Have a good one.
Good to see you.
What's up, brother?
Yeah, good, brother. How are you?
All right.
Hey, I love you, brother.
I love you too.
Yeah. They're right here, harassing people. They're asking me where I was born. I said in Somalia, and then they're asking me my passport. They're not supposed to go into private properties, and they are. They're right here harassing people. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's happening in America, targeting a certain group, Somali Americans. Wow.
I have that right. Citizen like citizen like. Hata Sudan ninka soo Sudan waa citizen. Why
No. Fourth Amendment is what protecting you. Huh?
I'm a lawyer up, man. Hey, Ben!
This is.
I needed that money, motherfuckers! I needed that money! Yeah! No, you fucked with the wrong nigga! Motherfuckers! Fuck y'all, man! Yeah!
That's what's up, man.